Dear students, I am your business maths teacher. I hope you are all fine at home. In last class, we have studied about area of a region bounded by the curve between two limits. Today, we are going to see about elasticity of demand, consumer surplus and producer surplus. The demand functions from elasticity of demand. Elasticity of the function y equal to f of x at a point x is defined as the limiting case of the ratio of relative change in y to the relative change in x. That is, the relative change between x and y is denoted here as elasticity of demand. How it is changed according to the demand, how the price is changed according to the demand. So elasticity of demand, that is, it is denoted as like this, lambda e of y by e of x equal to limit delta x to x tends to 0, delta y by y divided by delta x by x. It means dy by dx divided by dx by x. Here elasticity of demand equal to x by y dy by dx. That is, elasticity of demand is inverse of price and demand. It means elasticity of demand equal to minus p by x dx by dp. Here minus dp by p equal to dx by x into 1 by elasticity of demand. So if you integrate these things, that is integration of dp by p equal to 1 by elasticity of demand integration of dx by x, this equation yields the demand function p as the function of x. So the revenue function can be find out by using the integration. We are going to see about example 3.25 using this elasticity of function. When the elasticity of function is x by x minus 2, find the function when x equal to 6 and y equal to 16. Here x and y is given. Okay, so we are going to see the elasticity of demand, find the elasticity of demand using the above formula. So here ey by ex equal to x by x minus 2. It is given in the question, that is the elasticity function is x by x minus 2. So elasticity of demand means it is x by y dy by dx. That is, x by y dy by dx is given as x by x minus 2. dy by dy equal to, that is taking y term in the left side, dy by y equal to x by x minus 2 dx by x. So now we are integrating these two things, that is left side and right side, that is integration of dy by y, it gives log y. Likewise integration of dx by x minus 2 means it is log x minus 2 plus log k, because here there is no limits, limits are not given, therefore we add k here log plus log k. So y equal to, after taking the log, y equal to k into x minus 2. In the question it is given that the value of x equal to 6 and y equal to 16. So substitute this value in the equation y equal to k into x minus 2 in order to find the value of k. So 16, the value of y equal to 16 equal to k into value of x equal to 6. 6 minus 2, it gives k equal to 4. So therefore our equation become, instead of y equal to k into x minus 2, substitute the value of k in this equation, y equal to, the value of k equal to 4 into x minus 2. Okay, now we are going to see the exercise sum, that is question number 19. Already we saw about question number 17 in the last class itself. Now we are going to see about question number 19. If mr equal to 20 minus 5x plus 3x square, find the total revenue function. Here mr is given. So using this mr, we are going to find out r by integrating the mr. Okay. After that, giving r equal to 0 and x equal to 0, we are finding the value of k and we find the revenue function, that is total revenue functions, by substituting the value of k in this equation. Okay. Now we are finding, here it is given mr equal to 20 minus 5x plus 3x square. So if you integrate this, you are getting r. Therefore integration of mr dx plus k equal to integration of 20 minus 5x plus 3x square dx plus k. Therefore r equal to, so if you integrate 20, you are getting 20x. So 5x is integrated, the value is 5x square by 2 plus 3x square is integrated, it gives 3x cube by 3. So we are deleting these 3 that is in the denominator as well as in the numerator plus k. So we are getting the equation r equal to 20x minus 5 by 2 x square plus x cube plus k. In this equation, we are substituting the value r equal to 0 as well as the x equal to 0 in order to find the value k. So if you substitute r equal to 0 and x equal to 0 in this equation, 20x minus 5x square by 2 plus x cube plus k, you are getting the value k equal to 0. So the value of k equal to 0. Substitute this k value in the equation 1. We are getting the total revenue function r equal to 20x minus 5x square by 2 plus x cube is the total revenue function. So this is about question number 90. So now we are going to see about question number 20. Here also it is MR given. If MR equal to 14 minus 6x plus 9x square, find the demand function. In the last question it is they ask about revenue function. Okay, here they are asking about demand function. So first we are finding the revenue. After that apply the demand function formula P equal to R by X. We are finding the demand function here. Okay, now here it is given that MR equal to 14 minus 6x plus 9x square. Therefore we are integrating MR in order to get R. So R equal to integration of 14 minus 6x plus 9x square dx plus k. If you integrate 14, you are getting 14x. So 6x is integrated, we are getting 6x square by 2. 9x square gives 9x cube by 3 plus k. After cancelling, we are getting the equation r equal to 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube plus k. Here also we are substituting the value of r equal to 0 when x equal to 0. So we are getting the value of k equal to 0 by substituting the value r equal to 0 and x equal to 0 in the equation 1. That is in equation 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube plus k equal to 0. We are getting the value k equal to 0. Substitute this k value in the equation 1. So revenue function equal to r equal to 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube. The value of k equal to 0. So it becomes 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube. So, but in the question it is asked that find the demand function. So what is the formula for demand function? P equal to r by x. That is we are dividing the revenue function by x in order to get demand function. So therefore demand function P equal to r by x. Here r equal to 14x minus 3x square plus 3x cube. If you dividing it by x, that is 14x by x minus 3x square by x plus 3x cube by x gives 14 minus 3x plus 3x square. Okay. So now we are going to see about the topic consumer surplus. So consumer surplus. What is meant by consumer surplus? This theory was developed by the great economics Marshall. Already you know about Marshall. So in 11th itself you study about Marshall. He is a person who find the demand law. Okay. So here this is a theory was developed by the great economics Marshall. The demand function reveals the relationship between the quantities that the people would buy at a given price. That is, so the amount of quantity the people buy at a given price is revealed as a demand function. So it can be expressed as P equal to f of x. That is demand function P equal to f of x. Usually there are two things are there. One is consumer surplus, another one is producer surplus. In consumer surplus it is said about the demand function, whereas the producer surplus says about the supply function. Okay, so these two things gives about two different functions. One is demand function and another one is supply function. Let us assume the demand of the product x equal to x. That is, assume that the demand equal to x. That for example, one person is demand is purchasing 10 pen. So 10 here, X equal to 10. The price of a pen P equal to 5 means the price is P. But there can be some consumer who is ready to pay Q0, which is more than the P0. That is, the actual price is P equal to 5 rupees. But some person ready to buy at 8 also. Okay. So they are willing to buy at the price 8. The extra prices is denoted here as consumer surplus. That is, actual price is 5, but he is ready to pay 8 for that same product. So it proves that willingness of that person. So if the price is increased to 8, then also he is purchasing. So the difference between these two things implies here consumer surplus. For the same quantity of X0, he is ready to pay more than that. So any consumer who is ready to pay the price more than P gains from the fact that the price is only P0. This gain is called as consumer surplus. It is denoted in the diagram. Here in x-axis quantity is mentioned, in y-axis price is mentioned. The curve implies the consumer surplus. That is, the curve implies the person who is ready to pay for that product. Okay. So that is the total area. But the extra area, that is the curve PP, that is the shaded portion, is the extra amount the person willing to pay for the same pen. Okay. That extra portion is denoted as consumer surplus here. Okay. The amount paid for that X product is here 0ABP. That is, that portion, that rectangle implies the actual price, but he is ready to pay more than that. That more than the difference between these two things is denoted as consumer surplus here. It is represented in the following diagram. Mathematically, the consumer surplus CS can be defined as CS equal to area under the demand curve from X equal to 0 to X equal to X0 minus area of the rectangle OAPP. Here, consumer surplus, we are following the formula integration of 0 to X0 f of x dx. Here f of x denote the demand function. It is given in the question itself. After that, we have to find X0 and P0 using the values given in the question. So this is the formula CS equal to integration of 0 to X0 f of x dx minus X0 P0. You understand well after seeing the example sum 3.27. The demand function of a commodity is y equal to 36 minus x square. Find the consumer surplus for y0 equal to 11. Here y0 implies the quantity demanded. That is, here it is a demand function y equal to 36 minus x square. If you substitute this value 11, you are getting the y0. So first we find the x, that is the price, using the equation y equal to 36 minus x square. Afterwards, apply the formula. We are finding the price. Okay. Then we are finding the CS. So it is given y equal to 36 minus x square and y0 equal to 11. So in this equation, we are finding x square. That is, by taking minus x square equal to 36 minus 11, you are getting 25. The value of x equal to 5. Okay. After solving the equation, we are getting the value of x equal to 5. Here x is nothing but the price of a product. Okay. So CS equal to integration of 0 to x demand function dx minus price into quantity demanded. Here the demand function, it is given in the question 36 minus x square, whereas x equal to 5. Therefore integration of 0 to 5, 36 minus x square dx minus price also 5. So therefore 5 into the quantity demanded is given in the question, it is y0 equal to 11. So 5 into 11. We are getting, after integration, 36 is integrated, we are getting 36x. X square is integrated, we are getting x cube by 3. The limits are 0 to 5 minus 5 11s are 55. Now we are substituting this upper limit first. Afterwards we substitute the lower limit. We are getting 36 into 5 minus 5 cube by 5 minus 0 minus 55. So after simplifying it, we are get the answer 250 by 3. Hence the consumer surplus is 250 by 3 units. So this is the consumer surplus we are finding in this question. do you know, you are going to this box, the point of intersection of demand and supply curves is called equilibrium. That is, at equilibrium, the quantity demanded and the quantity supply is equal. Already you know about this formula in economics itself. At equilibrium point, quantity function, that is the demand function as well as the supply functions are equal. Using this equilibrium point, we are finding the value of x as well as the p. Okay. So now we are going to see about producer surplus. So the demand consumer surplus sets about the demand function, whereas producer surplus sets about the supply function. We are using the supply function in order to find the producer surplus here. A supply function g of x represents the quantity that can be supplied at a price p. That is, here they are taking supply function as g of x and price equal to p. Let p naught be the market price for the corresponding supply x naught. That is, x naught is quantity, but there can be some producer who are willing to supply the commodity below the market price. That is, for example, the price of the pen is 5 rupees, means some producers are willing to supply the same pen at the price 3, that is below the price, below the market price. The gain we are getting by purchasing that product implies that producer surplus here. Okay, this gain is called as producer surplus. It is represented in the following diagram. Here the diagram implies 0 A B P, that is the total production supply, whereas the curve implies that is the shaded portion implies the producer surplus here. Okay, because the producer is giving the product at a low price. Okay, so it is below the diagram, that is the rectangle. The curve is below the rectangle, whereas in consumer surplus the curve is above the rectangle. Here it is below the rectangle because the price is reduced here, okay, by the producer. So mathematically, producer surplus PS can be defined as PS equal to area of the rectangle OAPP minus area below the supply function from x naught to x equal to 0 to x equal to x. So PS equal to, that is producer surplus equal to x naught P naught minus integration of 0 to x naught g of x dx. If the question is asked consumer surplus, means we are subtracting x naught and P naught from g of x, f of x, whereas in producer surplus we are subtracting g of x from the x naught and P naught. This is the only difference in both the questions, in both the topic, that is the consumer surplus as well as in the producer surplus. First you read the topic well, then only you apply the formula according to the questions. Here we are going to see the example 3.28. Find the producer surplus defined by the supply curve g of x equal to 4x plus 8 when x equal to 5. Here they are given about supply curve. Okay, so they are asking about producer surplus. So it is given g of x equal to 4x plus 8 and x naught is given as 5. So x is already it is given. So P naught equal to, so we are finding the price by substituting the x value in g of x. That is 4 into 5 plus 8. We are getting P naught equal to 28. We know about x naught, P naught and g of x. So we apply the formula producer surplus equal to x naught P naught minus integration of 0 to x naught g of x dx. Here x naught equal to 5 and P naught equal to 28 minus integration of 0 to x naught is 5, 0 to 5, g of x equal to 4x plus 8 dx. So if you multiply 5 into 28, you are getting 140. Afterwards integrate 4x. 4x is integrated, we are getting 4x square by 2. 8 is integrated, we are getting 8x. The limits are 0 to 5. Now after cancelling 4 and 2, we are getting x square, 2x square plus 8x. Then we substitute the upper limit, that is 5 is substituted in the place of x. We are getting 140 minus 50 plus 40. We are getting 50 units as producer surplus. Hence the producer surplus equal to 50 units. Okay. So now we see about consumer surplus as well as producer surplus. The next question tells about the at equilibrium point. We are finding the both the things, that is a producer surplus as well as the consumer surplus. Example 3.29. the demand and supply function of a commodity are price PD, that is demand function. PD means it implies that demand function 18 minus 2x minus x square, and PS, that is supply function, equal to 2x minus 3. Find the consumer surplus and producer surplus at equilibrium price. Here x is not given. We are finding this x by applying the equilibrium formula, that is quantity demanded equal to quantity supply. At equilibrium, the supply and demand are equal. That is the point given here. So find the consumer surplus and producer surplus. We are going to find both the things in this question by using the condition that these things are at equilibrium price. Given P of D equal to, that is demand function, equal to 18 minus 2x minus x square, and supply function equal to 2x minus 3. We know that at equilibrium price demand equal to price of, that is demand function is equal to supply function. Therefore 18 minus 2x minus x square equal to 2x minus 3. So after simplifying this question, that is taking all those things in one side, we are getting the value of x equal to minus 3 or 3. Usually the value of x cannot be negative. Okay, therefore x equal to 3. When x equal to 3, substitute this value in one equation. We may substitute this value in demand function as well as in supply function. We are getting the same answer in both the questions. Okay, because the price is same in both the topic, because it is in at equilibrium. Therefore P naught equal to 18 minus 2 into 3. I am substituting this value in value 3 in the equation. 18 minus 2x minus x square. We are getting the P naught equal to 3. So you know about x naught equal to 3 as well as P naught equal to 3. Now we are finding the consumer surplus and producer surplus using this given P naught and x naught. So CS equal to integration of 0 to x f of x dx minus x naught P naught. Here the value of x equal to 3. Therefore integration of 0 to 3 f of x equal to 18 minus 2x minus x square. F of x is nothing but demand function, in minus x naught equal to 3, in P naught also 3. So 3 into 3. So after integration, 18 is integrated, we are getting 18x. 2x is integrated, we are getting 2x square by 2, that is 2 is cancelled here. Then x square is integrated, we are getting x cube by 3. The limits are 0 to 3. 3 into 3 is minus 9. Therefore we are substituting the upper limit. Upper limit here is 3. So 3 is substituted. 18 into 3 minus 3 square minus 3 cube by 3. The lower limit is 0. So we are getting 0 only, minus 9. So after cancelling it, we are getting that consumer surplus value is 27 units. Now we are going to calculate PS, that is producer surplus. The formula for producer surplus is x naught P naught minus integration of 0 to x gx dx. Here the value of x naught equal to 3 and P naught also 3. So 3 into 3 minus 0 to 3. The g of x is, it is given in the question, that is PS is 2x minus 3 dx. So after integration we are getting 9 minus 2x square by 2 means it is x square, minus 3 is integrated, we are getting 3x. The limits are 0 to 3. So I am substituting this upper value, 3 square minus 3 into 3. It is 9 minus 9, it becomes 0. So our answer becomes 9 units. Hence at equilibrium price, the consumer surplus is 27 units and the producer surplus is 9 units. Now we are going to see about the exercise sum. Question number 1. Calculate consumer surplus if the demand function P equal to 50 minus 2x and x equal to 20. So it is given that demand function equal to P equal to 50 minus 2x and x naught is given as 20. So we are finding the consumer surplus applying the formula 0 to x naught P of x dx minus x naught P naught. When x naught equal to 20 means, so we have find out the P naught by substituting this x naught value in the equation 50 minus 2x. So 50 minus 2 into 20 equal to 50 minus 40. We are getting P0 equal to 10. So apply these values in order to find C of S, that is CS, that is consumer surplus. Here 0 to 20, that is the value of X0 is 20. 50 minus 2x dx minus P0 into X0. X0 is 20 and P0 is 10. So if you integrate 50, we are getting 50x minus 2x is integrated, we are getting 2x square by 2. The limits are 0 to 20 minus 200. So after substituting the upper value 20 in the place of x, we are getting 1000 minus 400 minus 200, that is it is 400. Hence the consumer surplus is 400 units. The next question is question number 4. The demand function for a commodity P is equal to e power minus x. Find the consumer surplus when P equal to 0.5. Here also we are finding the consumer surplus. In this question it is given P0 equal to 0.5. So demand function equal to P equal to e power minus x at P equal to 0.5, that is 0.5 means it is P0 equal to 0.5. We have P0 equal to e power minus x0. So it gives 0.5 means 0.5 equal to e power minus x0. Taking log on both the sides, log e power 0.5 equal to minus x0. 0.5 means nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore log e power 1 by 2 equal to minus x0. So log e power 1. So it is in quotient form, that is e power 1 by 2 means log e power 1 minus log e power 2 equal to minus x0. The value of log e power 1 equal to 0. Therefore 0 minus log e power 2 equal to minus x0. Therefore x0 equal to log e power 2. That is we are cancelling the minus n in both the side. So the value of x0 we find about x0 here. Okay, already you know about P0. So apply these two things in the in our formulas. C of S equal to integration of 0 to log e power 2. That is the formula is integration of 0 to x0. Here x0 is log e power 2. Then P of x dx equal to e power minus x dx, and x0 equal to log e power 2 and P0 equal to 0.5. So if you integrate e power minus x, we are getting minus e power minus x. The limits are 0 to log e power 2 minus log e power 2 by 2. That is 0.5 means it is 1 by 2. Therefore log e power 2 by 2. So it is equal to minus 1 by e power x. That is the value of e power equal to minus x. Therefore I am taking 1 by e power x. The limits are 0 to log e power 2 minus log e power 2 by 2. So now substituting the value upper limit in the place of x, that is e power, instead of e power x I am writing log e power 2, that is minus 1 by e log e power 2 plus 1 by e power 0 minus log e power 2 by 2. So after cancelling the value we are getting minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus, that is e power 0 means it is 1. Okay, so 1 minus log e power 2 by 2. So our answer becomes 1 by 2 minus log e power 2 by 2. That is taking off as common here, off into 1 minus log e power 2 units. That is the value of consumer surplus. Now we are going to see about question number 9. Under perfect competition for a commodity, the demand and supply laws are P of D equal to, that is the demand function equal to 8 by x plus 1 minus 2 and supply function equal to x plus 3 by 2 respectively. Find the consumer and the producer surplus. It is given that demand function PD equal to 8 by x plus 1 minus 2 and supply function equal to x plus 3 by 2. Here, since there is a perfect competition, there is equilibrium, that is demand and supplies are equal. Their demand function PD equal to PS. Here demand function equal to 8 by x plus 1 minus 2 and supply function equal to x plus 3 by 2. Here I am taking x plus 1 as LCM. So 8 in minus 2 into x plus 1. We are getting 2x minus 2 equal to x plus 3 by 2. So after simplifying, we are getting 6 minus 2x by x plus 1 equal to x plus 3 by 2. Now you cross multiply it. X plus 1 into x plus 3 equal to 2 times of 6 minus 2x. So if you multiply x plus 1 and x plus 3, you are getting x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to 12 minus 4x. It gives x square plus 4x minus 3 plus 3 minus 12 equal to 0. We are getting the equation x square plus 8x minus 9 equal to 0. So after factorizing, we are getting x equal to minus 9 as well as x equal to 1. Since the value of x cannot be negative, therefore the value of x equal to 1 here. We take this value as x naught, that is x naught equal to 1. So now we are finding the value of p naught by substituting this value in any equation. We may substitute in p of s as well as p of d. So 8 by x naught plus 1 minus 2 equal to 8 by 2 minus 2. We are getting the value 2 here. Okay, see, therefore we are finding the value of consumer surplus by applying the x naught, value of x naught and p naught, 0 to integration of 0 to 1 pd dx minus x naught p naught. Here demand function is 8 by x plus 1 minus 2 dx in minus the value of x naught equal to 1, p naught equal to 2. Therefore we are getting 8 into log x plus 1. That is, if you integrate 1 by x, we are getting log x. Likewise 1 by x plus 1, we are getting log x plus 1. So 8 by x plus 1 means it becomes 8 log x plus 1 minus 2 is integrated, we are getting 2x. The value limits are 0 to 1 minus 2. So now I am substituting the value of, that is upper limit, in the place of x. We are getting 8 log 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 minus. So if you substitute lower limit 0 in the place of x, you are getting 8 into log 0 plus 1 minus 2 into 0, 0. So minus 2. So our answer becomes 8 log 2 minus 8 log 1 minus 2 minus 2. That is 8 log 2 minus 4 units. The value of log 1 is here 0. So our answer becomes 8 log 2 minus 4 units. So this is about consumer surplus. Now we are going to see about producer surplus, applying the formula x naught p naught minus integration of 0 to x naught px dx. So here the value of x naught equal to 1 and p naught equal to 2 minus integration of 0 to 1 ps equal to, it is given in the question, x plus 3 by 2 dx. So here the value of x naught equal to 1 and p naught equal to 2. So 2 minus 1 by 2. So I am taking 1 by 2 as common here. If you integrate x, we are getting x square by 2. So 3 is integrated, it becomes 3x. The limits are 0 to 1. After applying the upper limit as well as lower limit, we are getting 2 minus 1 by 2 of plus 3. So it becomes 2 into 2 minus 1 by 2 into 7 by 2. So the answer becomes 1 by 4 units. Hence, under perfect competition is nothing but at equilibrium price. So under perfect competition, the consumer surplus is 8 log 2 minus 4 units, whereas the producer surplus is 1 by 4 units. After watching this video, do the assignment following this link. Thank you, students.